This video is for my mom, but you can watch it too. She loves begonias and impatiens, so let me show you. This one is called Dragon Wing, and look at how big that is. Stunner. I got to see these at Cass last year, and I want it. And then over here, these are, oh, they're all different. This one is called Megawatt, and look how big those flowers are. This one's super cute. It's called Baby Wing. It's a little bit more compact. Dragon Wing is back there. This is Baby Wing. This one's called Hula, and it's a spreading begonia. And you can see how it's a little bit shorter and it spreads a little bit more than the ones back there. And then you have them in the pot below, and then you have the application here where it's in a really nice hanging basket. And you can see how it cascades down. And you have all the different ones, the different colors, the reds, and then some pinks, and then into the blush, and then into the red. And I believe that one's Dragon Wing again, but look at how it spreads. I am obsessed with Dragon Wing. So now let's look at the Impatiens. Now these are interspecific Impatiens, so they can withstand the heat a little bit better. So if you're with me in Southern California or anywhere hot, you need these ones. They're called Solar Escape Extra Large. And so this one is called Pink Jewel. You can see, just like if you wanted it in your own landscape, you just put two pots together like that. Here's another. I'm going real fast so we can get through it, but it's like a coral color. I don't see the sign, but that one's really pretty. So you can go pink, coral. This one is called Orange Burst, Solarscape. And then over here on this side, this is Magenta Bliss on the bottom. And this one is White Pearl. So you can see there's like a teeny tiny pink and then a white part of that flower. And oh my gosh, this is so dainty. So cute. There's more on this side. This is the Brilliant Gems mixture. So it's a mix of purple, magenta, and pink. Over here, this one's like a coral. It's gorgeous. Over here, this one is Lilac Spark, and you can see how pretty that is. My mom is obsessed with big flowers, big plants. And this isn't Impatiens, but these are Coleus, all the different colors. You can see. I found some more. So these are the Beacon Impatiens, and it's a Portland mixture, so you have a mix of colors. This one is the Otway mixture, and you have a lot of different. What I love about the Beacon brand, it is actually named after a lighthouse as a beacon of hope. Each year, Beacon actually donates a percentage to a not-for-profit, and this year, it's the Green Fingers charity in the UK and the Extra Special People. Then over here, we have the Cape Pine mixture. And you can see them also up there. This one's called Blue Pearl, so it has a blue hue to the pinkish purple. And then on this side, it's light pink. You can see all the way down the line. And so if you have a pergola, you can put the baskets up. So pretty. You have Impatiens, and then you have Begonias. All right, I started this out as only Begonias and Impatiens, but I'm in the wave section, so let's look at Petunias too. So look how teeny tiny these petunias are. I'm a sucker for these little flowers. These are spreading petunias. It's called Shockwave Rosevein, and they just spread a little bit, and this is in the application if you wanted to put it in a container. You have in front of me over there, there's more petunias with some grasses. And then here down below, I believe this is the new release this year. It's called Pink Pearl. You can see how lovely it is up close. And it sheds on its own, so you don't have to deadhead. And here is Shockwave Violet, so you can see how it spreads. And you can, right here, you can see it spreading down below. And this is all Shockwave Rose Vein, and this is Violet. And this year, you can see they are mixing Begonias here with Petunias there, with Impatiens, with edible Thai Towers there. Thai Towers is so ornamental. And over there, there's like drifts of Petunias waving in and out of the bed. Over there, there's more Impatiens. That's an entire bed right there of pink pearl. And oh, I love this one. Look at, this is the Shockwave Purple. And this one, you can see it starts one color and it fades to another, I think. Unless it's a mix. I don't see it being labeled as a mix, but, oh wait. Nope, this is Violet. I'm loving it. Look at that. Here's a really quick rundown of how to pick your petunias for your space. If you want big, bold color, you want tidal waves. Look at that. That's silver and red velour, and it is massive. It spreads. Here we have cherry and hot pink together. You can see right there. It's so pretty. And then here we have red velour and purple. And then this one, I don't have a tag for, but it's so pretty. Is that pink pearl? I'm not sure. This is wonderful. It's called Easy Wave, and it's 20 colors and mixes. So you have some silver in here. You have burgundy star. You have white, a mix right there. This one is the South Beach mixture, and so you have some purple, some coral, some red. This one, you have plum vein, you have burgundy star. Look at all that, so pretty. And if you want a spreading petunia, these are the Easy Wave. And so you have this mixture, it's a sweet taffy, so you have the yellows and the pinks. And then this one, it's so cute, yellow, pink, and purple. And then over here, so there's coral, blue, and sky blue in this mix. And then this one is peppermint, so it's got the red and white. And then this one is the red, white, and blue, very festive. If you like the small petunias, it's packed with petite ones. This is a mixture. You can see this is my hand next to it, so it's like really tiny, nice and cute, and it's spreading. So you can see those ones, tidal wave, they are like very big, very tall, and they get into here where it's a little bit more compact, smaller. The flower is smaller, but still, talk about flower power. I found more Impatiens. Mom, this is for you. This is the double Impatiens by Ball Flora Plant, and you can see this is my kind of Impatien. There's doubles, they look like roses. You can put them in containers. There's different colors. Look at this blush pink. There's red, that's a burgundy, that glimmer pink. Oh, I'm loving these doubles. Look at that. Some more red, and then this one is almost like a candy stripe. It's called Strawberry Sparkler. Look at that, double Impatiens. And then these are New Guinea Impatiens, so they're a little bit different. You can see petal is different side by side. Leaf is different. Gorgeous. I found more petunias. So this is actually the selected petunias, different from Wave, but here you have all the different colors. I was not a petunia fan until I came here to see all of these colors. These are not your grandma's petunias. They are magnificent. Just like, look at this one. This is Blueberry Main Stage is the series, and it's the rose for me, and look at that veining. And then here they've got the white tips. That one is Headliner. This one is Main Stage, Strawberry Sky. And then here's the white. And then look, and if you like dark foliage, look, blueberries and cream. What kind of name is that? How cool. Here we got light, Sure Shot light blue, Sure Shot hot pink. Oh, I love this one. I am Okay, pink, Sure Shot Pink vein. I am a sucker for anything rosy and pink. And then look at this. I love how wispy this is, the color rush. And this one is called pink. That one is the white one. I mean, just look at the veining on this. This is Sure Shot Blue Vein. Look at that purple fantasy. You get purple to pink and as it ages. And then this is the same one, but in a pot. That one is in a basket. And then here you have some more. And then there's Cannonball. It's more compact of a plant, but not less flower power. Look at this. And then look, if you like dark plants, look at this. Look at the petals. Midnight Gold. And this is Pink Diamond Love. And then here's Tartwheel. This is Radiant Ruby. And look at Frosted Jewel Sapphire. Look at that. And then look at this container. It's gorgeous with the, I think this is the ruby one down there. This is Crystal Headliner. I can't even say the names. It's Headliner Crystal Pink. And you can see all the offerings from Selecta all in one. And you can see here. Oh my gosh. That's just a really fast run through of the begonias, the Impatiens. What else did I show you? And the petunias. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next video.